It's cruise day. After weeks and months of planning, the big day is finally here. Today is the day you're going to board your cruise ship for a much-needed vacation. You've been waiting for this day to come and you worked hard to get to this point. In this video, we're going to share 10 things you should not do on cruise embarkation day. Avoiding these 10 things will allow you to get the most out of your first day on board. And number 10 is one that we experienced firsthand on our most recent cruise, and it changed the tone of our whole vacation.
Welcome to Dockside Travel. If you're new here, we are Melanie and Chris, and our goal is to make it easier to plan and enjoy unforgettable cruise vacations. We share important tips and tricks to ensure you get the most out of your cruise vacation, and we love to share any hidden gems we discover on our travels. Cruise Embarkation Day is perhaps the most thrilling day of your cruise vacation, and all of that pent-up anticipation and excitement can result in you making a few cruise mistakes if you're not careful. So, here are 10 things you should not do on Cruise Embarkation Day.
Number 1, don't schedule your arrival flight on embarkation day. Arriving on the same day as your cruise departure is a risky venture. Flight delays, cancellations, and other unforeseen travel hiccups can cause you to miss your ship entirely. It's best to arrive at least one day before embarkation, allowing time to adjust for any disruptions. For us, we're from Canada, and we try to arrive 2 days in advance, and we monitor the weather all along our flight routes in the days leading up to travel. By arriving early, you can relax, explore the port city, and avoid the stress of rushing to board the ship. The cost of an overnight hotel stay pales in comparison to the financial and emotional toll of missing your cruise. Plus, it's great to get a good night's sleep before embarkation day rather than stressing about early morning flights or potential traffic delays. If you watched our previous cruise planning videos, you know how important planning to arrive early can be. The link to those videos is in the description below.
Number 2, don't forget to pack a carry-on bag. Your checked luggage may not arrive at your cabin until late afternoon or evening, so having a well-packed carry-on is essential. Include important items like travel documents, medications, swimwear, and a change of clothes. If you plan to explore the ship or relax by the pool, you'll need these essentials within reach. Don't forget a phone charger and any valuables you wouldn't want in checked luggage. A thoughtfully packed carry-on can set the tone for a stress-free start to your vacation. But pack wisely. The cruise lines like Celebrity allow you to go to your cabin right away to get your cruise cards and drop off your bag while the cabin is still being serviced. Some lines don't do this though, so don't pack too heavy. You may have to carry this bag around for a few hours.
Number 3, do not forget your important documents. Forgetting important cruise documents like your passport, boarding pass, or travel visas can turn your dream vacation into a logistical nightmare. These items are essential for boarding the ship and complying with international travel requirements. Without them, you may be denied boarding entirely, resulting in lost money and missed experiences. Before you leave home, double check that you have all your necessary documents in a secure but accessible place, such as a travel organizer or a carry-on bag. Consider printing extra copies or saving digital versions on your phone as a backup. Being prepared ensures a smooth embarkation process and keeps your vacation stress-free from the start.
Number 4, don't arrive at the wrong time. Cruise lines provide specific arrival windows to manage the flow of passengers during embarkation. Showing up too early or too late can lead to long waits or even denial of entry until your time slot opens. Adhering to the scheduled time ensures a smoother boarding process and avoids unnecessary congestion. Additionally, arriving at your designated time helps crew members manage luggage and prepare the ship for departure. Plan accordingly and double-check your assigned window before heading to the port. If you watched our previous videos, today is the day you'll realize why it's important to check in online as soon as you can. Hopefully you snag one of those premium boarding times. The earlier, the better. If you're enjoying this video or finding it helpful in any way, please hit that like button and leave us a comment below to let us know what your best embarkation day advice is. It really helps our channel grow and lets YouTube know the video is worth sharing to other viewers who are interested in cruising.
Number 5, don't forget the muster drill. The muster drill is mandatory and ensures all passengers know what to do in the case of an emergency. The ship keeps a meticulous record of who's completed the drill, and the ship cannot legally sail until every passenger complies. Skipping or delaying your attendance can disrupt the schedule for everyone. The drill typically takes just a few minutes and covers life jacket usage, muster station locations, and safety protocols. Pay attention and follow instructions to set a responsible tone for your cruise. Now, with many cruise lines, they have what is known as Muster Drill 2.0, where you can watch safety videos on the cruise app on the day of your cruise, even before you leave your hotel. Then when you get on the ship, all you have to do is go to your muster station and get checked in. It takes all of 2 minutes on board. Don't skip this step.
Number 6, don't forget to switch off cellular data. Roaming charges at sea are notoriously expensive, and many travelers have returned home to shockingly high phone bills. Before you set sail, disable cellular data and switch your phone to airplane mode. Take advantage of the ship's Wi-Fi packages if you need to stay connected. Most ships offer apps for onboard communication and planning that work even without using cellular data. Being mindful of your settings can save you hundreds of dollars in unnecessary charges.
Number 7, don't consume too much alcohol. Embarkation Day can be a wild and crazy day with lots of music, parties, and fun. And the drinks will be flowing, especially if you're on a drink package. But remember, there's nothing worse than missing half your next day because of a hangover. Sure, vacation time is a time to enjoy things you like, such as your favorite cocktail. But excessive drinking can lead to poor decision making, and a hangover can sideline you from enjoying your first full day at sea, especially if it's packed with activities. Pace yourself, stay hydrated, and enjoy responsibly. The ship's bars will still be there tomorrow, so there's no need to go overboard on day 1.
Number 8, don't miss the sail away party. The sail away party is a quintessential cruise tradition, offering music, dancing, and drinks as the ship leaves port. It's your first chance to meet fellow passengers and immerse yourself in the cruise festive atmosphere. Missing this event means missing out on the excitement and camaraderie that sets the tone for the rest of the trip. Join the fun, grab a drink, and enjoy the breathtaking views as the ship embarks on its journey. The sail away party is where vacation memories begin.
Number 9, don't forget to unpack. Unpacking as soon as your luggage arrives can make your cabin feel like home. Organizing your clothes and personal items gives you easy access to everything you'll need. This also prevents you from feeling rushed when getting ready for dinner or the first night's activities. Use the provided storage spaces to maximize room in your cabin and keep clutter to a minimum. Starting your vacation with an organized space makes the rest of the trip more enjoyable. But before you start unpacking, be sure to get a picture or video of your cabin. This is the cleanest it's ever going to be, so get those clean room pics now before you mess it up. Then you can break out those magnet hooks. If you watched our previous videos, you know what we're talking about. But just in case it's your first time here, there's a link in the description below to our video on cruise items we wish we knew about before. It's a list of things that we don't cruise without.
Number 10, don't wait to meet your cabin steward. Your cabin steward plays a crucial role in making your cruise experience enjoyable. Take a moment to introduce yourself and share any preferences or any special requests. They'll ensure your cabin stays clean, tidy, and well-stocked throughout the voyage. Stewards also deliver important documents such as port information and daily schedules. Establishing a good rapport ensures smoother communication and can enhance your overall cruise experience.
Because of the busyness of our last cruise, we never met our cabin steward until day 3. And he forgot to put some information in our cabin about onboard loyalty program activities. This meant we missed out on a few things in the first few days. So the moral of the story is meet your cabin steward as early as possible on day 1.
This brings us to the end of our video on 10 things not to do on Embarkation Day. If you've enjoyed this video or found it helpful in any way, please hit that like button and leave us a comment below. Also, please consider subscribing to our channel. It really helps us grow. Thanks for watching.